Let me show you how to cut the rectangular holes in any PVC box. Here I have the PVC box, is quite thick, and if you want to cut any design, any shape, rectangular, square, circular, it's very easy way you can do it at home. First, what you need to do, for example, I want to make these two holes because I want to show here the 7 segment to display on my device. So you just make the PCB and make the holes on the PCB, and once you get the PCB that the design you want, square, rectangular, any other shape, so just I bring this PCB, put at this box. You see it's here now. One hole I already cut, the second I will tell you how to cut it. So now you need to take the soldering iron with the sharp tip. You can see here is the tip is quite sharp. So make it hot, and now what you need to do, just put it here, and it's very simple and very quick. You don't need any drill or any other equipment, and the results are very clean. Now you see here are some plastic on it. You just need to do like this. It's got clean. And if you want more clean, now you see the result is quite clean. You can do just take cutter and do like this. Now you see the cut rectangular is quite clean. So that was all about how to make the rectangular, square, or any shape on PVC box. That's simple. Thanks for watching.